I'm gonna show you a little thing that I did just for fun. You can find large gaps of primes by this little sequence here, n factorial plus 2, n factorial plus 3, n factorial plus 4, so on and so forth, n factorial plus n. And that'll give you n minus 1 consecutive composite numbers, or it'll give you n minus 1 non-primes. And it doesn't mean that the gaps between the two closest primes are n minus 1 digits long, which I'll show you really quick. It just gives you an example of an amount of composite numbers in a row. So let's take n equal to 4 here. Here's a little program I wrote to do that. So we're going to put in 4. What this is going to spit out is 3 consecutive composite numbers, 3 consecutive non-primes, showing that there is at least one case of a gap between primes that is 3 digits long. So 26 and 28 are both divisible by 2. 27 is divisible by 9 times 3. And 25 is not prime, and 24 is not prime. So 23 is prime, 29 is prime. That is a distance of 6, but that's not what the program is meant to do. It's just to show you an example of giving you n minus 1 consecutive integers that are non-prime. So put in 10, here are 9 digits, consecutive composite non-prime integers. And n can be as big as you want, which implies that n minus 1 can be as big as you want. If you want 49 consecutive primes, you put n as 50. And you may ask, that's not 50 consecutive non-primes. How do we know there's a 50th? Well, you just put n as 51. And then n minus 1 will be 50, and it'll give you 50 consecutive composite integers. And what this shows is that the gaps between primes are infinitely large, because n goes on forever, n minus 1 goes on forever, and I can always find you a gap that's that large. So the gaps between primes are infinitely big. And this is just a very small scale example of that. I'll just do another one just for fun. Let's do 11. I don't want to, chug my computer to a halt. And here are 10 consecutive non-prime integers, showing that the gap between the two sandwiching primes is at least 11, or at least 10 rather. And this is just a fun little thing I did. I do these little things just for fun, but I hope it was kind of interesting. I don't have the real proof for it. I've never looked it up. I'm pretty sure it's probably induction. I'll give it a shot. If I figure it out, I'll let you know. But I just wanted to show you.